Hey everyone, I'm Megan.
And I'm Lisa.
And we're
Best Friends Wandering. And today we're going to show you all the things you can do.
Things you can only do
on Bourbon Street.
Bourbon Street, the French Quarter. So you're probably going to see a few different costume changes because this is a multiple day thing that we did because Bourbon Street's a lot to do in one day. There's so many places.
And there's slushies, so you have to kind of go back. Late night slushy, got it. Midday slushy, got it. Morning slushy, haven't done it, but I'm sure you can get it.
I'm just sick of people slushy. Got it. Anyway, so we're about to take you on that journey with us, so stick around. My part of the city, Book Nerds Unite. It's our home base.
Really? You're leaving? Yeah, fine. It's all fine.
So we found this cool, little outdoor artsy market. Here.
Refurbished art.
Yes.
Cool art. Everything in here has a story. I don't know what the story is, but there's a story. I love cheese.
You do love cheese.
A lot. So, things you can only get in the French Quarter. I spent all morning looking for a place of chicken and waffles for Megan. Megan, what do you have for food?
I have chicken tenders.
Why do we have chicken tenders and not chicken and waffles?
I didn't want to fight with the chicken.
And what's the difference between chicken and waffles and chicken tenders?
You know, the bones. I did not want to fight with tearing something off a bone, okay? My lipstick looks good, my face looks good. This is a little less.
Yeah. I'm gonna enjoy my fried chicken and
So, we just talked to the chef.
while we walked out the door, he asked us how the food was.
And if I got the chicken and waffles, and I said no, because
Because the first thing he suggested, did you get the chicken and waffles?
apparently I wouldn't have had to fight with my chicken. Because
It would have been the same chicken, but there would have been a waffle with bacon stuffed waffle. Or bacon infused. I spent all morning, and even the chef asked. The chef.
oh my god, I didn't want to fight with a bone,
And there wasn't even
gonna be a bone. Lisa right now is going to be trolling me all day. She's just gonna roast the crap out of me. Look at that. So apparently we're going back to this restaurant at some point, and I'm gonna get chicken and waffles.
You saw it here. Saw it first. Actually, I saw it first. You guys saw it second. Come on.
This edition of Things You Find on Bourbon Street, that is a child eating a tarantula. That's Lisa looking at the child eating a tarantula.
So, things you see in New Orleans apartment.
For Reese,
Not haunted.
Not haunted. I
Not.
really believe him.
It's kind of like when I say I'm not going to eat your goat cheese mashed potatoes.
Spoiler alert, she ate my goat cheese mashed potatoes.
Not all of them.
Only because I found you first. Right? Sisters.
Oh, side note, there's also the bartender's just really cute slushy.
Oh, yeah.
We found some pizza in the French Quarter. As we were just saying earlier, it's the cool thing about being an adult is that you can have a pizza party sleepover, but in a totally different state than the one you live in. And no adults are allowed, other than yourself.
Gosh, it's so awesome just to be Eat what you want, sleep where you want, do what you
What
want.
you want? Oh, God. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy the rest of our pizza at Calamari, and then go on our ghost tour.
Yes, ghost tours are gonna be awesome. Might even bring a slice of pizza with me to go.
It's a good idea. Where am I gonna hide that?
You know, a pizza pocket.
Okay, that was terrible. So we're gonna go now. Bye.